Hi, this is my next project, True Nose Knit Jacket. This is just a preparation video for how to knit this True Nose Knit Jacket. Please check my description box and download the free pattern. This jacket design is so pretty and pattern was super easy. And I changed the front part. The original pattern was zipper, but I changed to button instead of the zipper because I thought this was more cuter. Because this pattern is so easy, I'm not going to tell you detail in my video, just the only outline, but that's totally enough. Maybe just to tell you how to decrease, how to read the pattern, but don't worry, you will figure it out because this sweater is much easier than you think. I'm going to make separate video. One is for body and the other one is sleeves and collar. So please watch all my video first before you go get some yarns. Okay? So see you soon.